Hey guys, what's going on? Today I got something new. This video spinner. I just got bored inside of doing this. Hold on. Scratch. There we go. Oh. But today I'm going to plan some things. I haven't got yet. Okay, the first one is Thomas the Tank Engine. I got this off of eBay, like a little bit cheap, because I used the honey browser. It automatically finds coupons for you and save your money, man. It's so good. I put in the battery already. Oh, look at this shirt. Okay, look at the face, man. It doesn't look anything like the old TV show. In the old TV show, they had like a much cool Thomas. Like, I like that Thomas. But this Thomas is a cool design. It's off of eBay. Its coupling chain was broken, so we took off. We replaced it with this one. Okay. First, we have Annie with another coupling that's kind of messed up. You see, so look at this. One up. Ooh, that's so close. Look at this. I do that and it just automatically slides out. So this is actually pretty cool design to this one. Next we have Clarabelle. Now Clarabelle is the best. I like both of them. Even they're so cool. Like, I don't know, but man, what time is it? I have no idea what time it is. I don't have a watch, phone. But it's late at night. But this is what I wanted to show you. I'm gonna upload some videos to after this one too. So yeah, guys, really. I'm going to go now. Sorry, it's a bit bright, man. It's just got a light on, not bright. So, anyways, guys, bye. Oh my god, why is my voice like that? Anyways, bye. Hope you have enjoyed. Oh, make sure to like Mr. Beast. Subscribe to Mr. Beast as well. He's a cool guy. He helped me get these things for a lower price of honey. So subscribe to Mr. Beast Gaming and his normal channel. I've already subscribed and liked his videos. He's a cool guy. He's rich and well. Subscribe to Mr. Beast. And I want to give a shout out to Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast, you're awesome. Thanks for telling me how to download honey. At first I didn't want to, but Mr. Beast, you came into an ad, man. That's just cool. So, like, guess what? I downloaded honey. My comments are turned off because I don't want to people saying weird stuff. So, anyways, bye guys. I'm going to go now. So I'll can't see it so fast. Yeah. Bye guys. It's me, Fortnite, and I'm out. Sorry I keep changing names on my channel. Bye guys.